Welcome to Plug It, manufacturers of the world's best pipe plugs and custom-built sewer plugs. If you're watching this presentation, you probably already know that the storm drains and sewer systems under our cities don't have shut-off valves. And if you've ever been confronted with the problem of having to repair a broken line, you're also painfully aware of what a challenging job that can be. Let's face it, these systems all drain by gravity flow. They're old, leaky, and making repairs on them can be about the worst job anybody could imagine. This presentation will come to you in two parts. In part one, we're going to tell you who we are, what we stand for, and what you can reasonably expect from us. We've been in business since 1986 and have assembled the finest crew of machinists, craftsmen, and technicians that can be found anywhere in the industry. So we want you to know who you're doing business with and why we're the right choice. In part two, we will be giving you a safety briefing on the use of inflatable rubber plugs. This briefing is for anyone considering the use of an inflatable plug, or it can be for anybody supervising a crew that will be using inflatable plugs. And this is very important. Supervisors are critical to the whole process of safety because they set the example for the entire crew to follow. As a supervisor, you should know that your crew looks up to you and there's no area for compromise when it comes to safety. And while this video is pretty comprehensive, it's not intended to replace the Plug It product safety manual. If you don't have one of our safety manuals, call 1-800-575-8448 toll-free, and we'll be happy to mail one out today. Also, if you don't have a pen and paper handy, you'll find the number is on the label of this video cassette. For anyone who hasn't used an inflatable plug before, or is perhaps thinking they can skip the section on safety, we've arranged for a little demonstration. The following is a dramatization of what happens when a plug is overinflated. This could be due to not being fitted with a pressure relief valve or being installed in the wrong size pipe, among other things. If a plug is being overinflated, mishandled, or installed in the wrong size pipe, it will explode and cause injury, death, and property damage. This is true of any inflatable rubber plug. 5 psi in a 36-inch pipe equals 5,100 pounds of force. So remember, the safety briefing is part two of this presentation. Our products shut off the flow of storm and sewage drains so that a repair crew can work without fear and supervisors can send them in without guilt. And that doesn't just happen. It's a result of careful planning, attention to detail, and pride in our manufacturing. And while no one can make the job easy, we make it very manageable and safe. So join me now as we meet with the people who build quality into every step of the manufacturing process.
At Plug It Products, the employees here that we have, you know, on an average, they've got about 7 years of experience. Some of us more, some a little less, but everybody is really involved in the product that they're actually building. If something was to come back in for some type of a warranty claim or what have you, we usually get them out there and they inspect it themselves because of that pride of their workmanship and everything, and they just want to see what happened to see if they can actually make the product a little bit better.
We don't ask our customers to adapt to our product line. We adapt our product line to what they need.
We're able to supply and warranty all component parts in-house.
Every plug order starts with a complete set of job specifications and approval by the customer. Because we build custom plugs, we frequently design special units to fit the specific needs of our customers. But we also maintain a huge inventory of the most popular sizes, knowing that our customers often have to respond to emergencies and not every job requires custom manufacturing.
We build all the plugs here at our own facility, so making a small change or a big change is not a hard thing to accomplish. Our customers don't have to settle or pay for anything less than exactly what they need.
We operate a fully functional machine shop. We're able to manufacture our own pneumatic systems and install pressure relief valves, and vulcanize our own rubber. This allows us to maintain a high level of quality on every component.
So the extra layers of Kevlar, the pressure relief valves, the extra layers of rubber we put in our plugs, we put in at no extra cost to our customers. We see this as an investment in our future.
We try to give you exactly what you need for your job to make it easier for you and safer for you.
We buy raw materials based on quality first, price second.
We use methods of production that result in a plug that's better than the sum total of its parts.
At Plug It, our customers get the product they need when they need it. Which reminds me, we ship anywhere in the world that UPS or FedEx deliver.
When you call us here, we don't have the phone system where press this button, press that button. What you get is somebody real at the other end to talk to.
When they call, they're going to get me, they're going to get Gerard, they're going to get Mac on the phone right away. They're not going to have to press a bunch of buttons to get to us. We believe it's all about building enduring customer relationships. This means that deadlines are promises that have to be kept. We don't get clumsy in our language in order to close an order and then scramble to cover up our tracks. We care that they get more service from our products than they expect.
We build pride in each and every one of our plugs. It's kind of like putting your signature on each job.
We thought you'd like to see some finished plugs. We know your business is managing what could be the unmanageable, and this is where the rubber really meets the road. Or pipe.